Kijing betip nam ta kuar like kam hikai teki don like tuli ki post ki like teki ban kong one assistant teacher deficit at Garo Union LP School Shillong kadon Shillong igane kabadon hamar jan jong ka PGT College application should reach the school office on or before 8 June 2023 kelas dit kede pratarik Jun pilapan poe ka application haga pratarik lene shwai ka pratarik hapo ka school office po school office on or before 8 June te sakawai pan don kam noi kai bla pass MA English B.Ed Hanong through higher secondary school kabah po Eastern West Khas Hill district kajing siu katkom ka ad hoc secondary section ke application pen poi ha ka khasau trik jung manai June arjar apply ka interview kan long ka arpnyo trik jung manai June arjar apply ha office school por khadoi beje kan don ka demonstration hadin ka interview kanong thliu ka don tang nyo kilometer na soyong bat live pra kilometer na Shillong te khnang ban nyo ikijing tip ku bakham ha phila ban phone ro ikini number kala dabai ktai pran riu ar khandai riu not khandai ar para sakawai ban one assistant teacher science at River Sengkhasi secondary school rang thliang ka ba ha po penursa te ka minimum qualification pri belong BSc ki kam prefer ki bla pass PCM with B.Ed or DLN ka salary kan debit khadwe hajar fix interested candidate may send their application form to the secretary MC on or before 15 June arja apply manyo eging tip ki khamnya lawan phone gini nomor gal dap ai pranyo pra riu san khnai la ni khnai pran riu lai way not so asan nyo tang gini tip publish one